So yeah, as you can see, I am playing Stardew Valley and I have been addicted for some time with this game. And when I say addicted, the moment that I wake up, I play this. And since I'm unemployed, I play this for like a whole day. And it's unhealthy. Since I'm bored, I decided to vlog what I do in a day, and a day turned into a week. So if you enjoy this time lapse of me playing, then continue watching. So I showed what I likely use when I go out. So it includes my skincare, my makeup, and my perfume routine. I went out with my former colleagues and I wasn't able to record because I was just enjoying my time with them. But that's how I ended my day. At this time, I had no electricity, so I decided to clean my keyboard after a year of using it. And I think a lot of my clips here are just time lapses, so enjoy me cleaning my keyboard again as a time lapse. Oh my god. Switches, and I don't really know how to put them in until that accident happened just earlier. More than imagine. So there's a new height to do that. We're down to the arrow. So you have to. This is how dirty it is. Oh my god. Can you see those hairs and those dust? It's disgusting. And then all of these keycaps are just so dusty. I'm gonna have to clean those as well. We had another time. I wish we had another place. Everything we have is stuck in the moment. Yeah. Now this is the after. Oops. I have to use tape for these little bits. For the dust, but this is the after. I was gonna go out during this time, but I got sick. this is my third time lapse in one single video, but as I've said before, I'm unemployed and I think at this point I'm just trying to distract myself by doing various things. I have applied for a lot of jobs, but no one answered yet. That is why. And I feel so pressured right now because I'm still an intern. I'm not yet a regular employee, and I really want to take the board's exam on time. But yeah, that was my 1 week video. I hope you enjoyed it somewhat. And I'm still starting this out, this vlogging thing. And I hope I came across the right audience for this. But yeah, that's for now. Bye.